Mrs. Chu, the founder of Little But Mighty. With the PSLE Listening Comprehension exam fast approaching, I thought I'll share with you 3 essential tips to help you to ace this component. Number 1, make good use of the few minutes before each recording is played to read through all the questions that we tested for the text. This way, you'll know exactly what to listen out for. Number 2, when choosing your answer, look through all the options, and for each option, read it entirely. This will ensure that the details that you have chosen are accurate, because even the change in one word can change the meaning entirely. And that is really how tricky questions can be set. Lastly, if there is any questions which you're unsure of, do not panic. Instead, listen out for the answer when the reading is repeated. Even if you still do not know the answer at the end of the day, give it your best shot and do not leave any blanks. That will be all the tips that I have for you, and I hope that you have a really good listening comprehension examination this Friday. All the best!